Hello everyone. This is day 55 of my 365 day series where I'm coloring my days red and green. Red if it was a productive day, I did something good for me, for my health, or I just studied about something or read about something, or I was having positive thoughts. You can say I just made something or cooked something for everyone. So then it is a green day, and if I didn't do anything, I was sitting in my chair and I was having negative thoughts, a lot of questions on my mind about my future or that what I will be doing. So then it is a red day. So I am having two sketch pens according to the color, and today's date is 25th February 2026. And let's see what happened in my whole of the day. So the very first thing that I ate pulao, which my mother made. First I said that I will not eat pulao, then I said okay, because by looking the pulao it was like they are very tasty, so I just had them in the brunch, you can say, as in brunch. And after that I went to market because our festival, Holi festival, is coming. So it was kind of, preparations were going on. So we make a lot of things like gunjia, like namak pare, like shakkar pare, like besan ke laddu, like namkeen, different kind of namkeens, kachori, chips, and whatever you can make, like all the kind of snacks thing we make during the festival of Holi. So I just went to the market to bring or brought some materials that we need, the ingredients, you can say, that we need, like maida, refined oil, the dry fruits like almond, cashew, and the coconut also. Like we grate the coconut also with it and mix it with some mawa, that is you know condensed milk, but in a very solid paste kind of, so all those things were there. So these were that is what I had just written that on 25th February what I did. And after that, yes, after coming from the market, it was like in the evening around 6 p.m. I came back. So I just, after that, around 6:30 I went back. I just walked with my friend. She is my good friend, my best friend. So I was just listening to her stories and what she was doing. Like every time I'm the listener, and I just love that the way she tells me the story. Sometimes it's kind of, that okay, I'm listening, but I think if she is feeling well and if she is okay with the sharing her things with me, if she is feeling comfortable, then I'm very happy that okay, at least I am is like, at least I am with someone who can rely on me. I can be the listener, I have no problem. So every time we meet, we walk around our colony and we talk about a lot of things. And I always used to listen to her stories, that what happened, when happened. And because it's just like maybe once in a month, maybe 15 days in between, like once in a 15 days, it depends on if we have a lot of things to say, then we meet like in a short span. And if it's like, no, like it's Holi is coming, so it will be like on Holi also we can meet, or there can be things. So that is all, I think, that happened. And after that, yes, my Mosi, which is living nearby, like in our neighborhood, so they were coming from Delhi. And my one of my cousin was with us because they were in the Delhi. So my Mosi's child was with us. And there were a lot of things going on in like like in the end I had a fight with my mother. That what I'm going to say. So I think that is normal, because after coming back, like after dropping my cousin to his home, so while coming back everything was fine from my side, because it happens. Now I don't take care, like till 3 to 4 days. I just like, okay, we have a conversation, we had a fight, just leave it. After 5 to 10 minutes everything is normal from my side. I don't take it now to a lot of, I don't take a lot of time to resolve the things now. So and I don't take all those things on my mind also, because it will destroy me one day. Like keeping everything in my mind, so I just move from that place to another place, or a different kind of conversation. Like everything is chilled from my side. If we had a fight, that's totally fine. After 5 to 10 minutes, everything is fine with us, with me at least. So that is what I am thinking. It is good, I think, for me, because if I am having fight with someone and then I'm, you know, just, going with it for 2 to 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, so there is a lot on my mind and everything will be a red day. So that's why I just leave it after 5 to 10 minutes and everything. I most of the time I think that okay, just be in the moment and let it be, whatever happened, and just move on from that spot. So that is all about my 25th February and my 55 day. And overall it was a good day. I went to the market alone and I was buying the things, like all the things that we need for Holi celebration, and I was happy. I walked around the whole city without taking any auto or rickshaw. That is the important part I think. And I have not ate I had not had anything fast food. So that's, I think it is a green day for me. So that's all, and I'm happy that at least I'm having good days now, maybe. So it's a 55 day and it's a green day, and the date is 25 February 2026. Okay.